Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am your homegirl Daphne Brown, and in today's video, we're going to be showing you some of the tools, some of them which are new, that I will be unboxing, the tools that I use or will use to elevate my real estate business this year. Now this Nikon Z30 that you're taking a look at, this is brand new to me. I saw so much about it on all the social media platforms, and I needed a tag along buddy, if you will, something that I could carry with me as I go about my daily real estate ventures. I wanted something easy, something light that would capture the inner workings of real estate and allow me to capture the content and later put it in a video so you all can see. This is really good. It shoots 4K video. I have not started streaming with it yet, but yep, here I am unboxing everything. I love this camera so far. So now that I have my camera all strapped up, I have a little bit more peace of mind that my camera won't drop when I'm out in the field. Am I the only one like that? If that is also you, drop down in the comments and let me know. Now I'm showing you the contents of the creator's accessory kit for the Z30 that I picked up at the same time that I purchased my camera. I am really proud of this purchase. I do love the fact that I get the on-camera microphone. It's a Rode microphone with the dead cat that goes just atop the camera. This is going to help me as I'm out in the field, because I'm going to be using this camera a lot out in the field. And it's going to help, I feel, deliver crisp audio for the videos. And then also included in this kit is the Bluetooth remote control, which doubles as a handheld grip and a tabletop tripod, which is going to be good as well for capturing content just about anywhere that I am. I could set the camera up on a stable surface with the tripod and take the remote off and capture video and photos. Also, I'm going to be using this camera for my thumbnails moving forward. I don't have to have anybody's help. I can make sure that I'm doing it on my own. And yes, I have told you previously that I used to use my iPhone, and I didn't want to do that anymore because I got tired of buying more memory from Apple. Come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. My most recent addition to my real estate toolkit is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. The purpose of this is to use it in my neighborhood tours, to put on the exterior of my car, along with another apparatus that I'll be reviewing here shortly. Currently on the screen, I'm displaying my GoPro Shorty, which is a grab-and-go mini extension pole and tripod. It extends 4.6 inches, and it's perfect for group activities as I'm out capturing any type of real estate events where there's a crowd. I do love that. So when I say I may have spazzed out on GoPro accessories, that is exactly what I mean. Here you're seeing the Tellison handheld protector carrying cloth semi-hard case that I purchased for my GoPro to keep it protected, just as the name says, right? I like to protect my equipment. I like to protect my investments. And so that was the sole purpose of this. Plus, it's really cute. I can have it on a tripod and I can still wrap the case around it, put the case on it, and it's still protected. So this is the Tellison plastic frame case for the GoPro. It offers the ability to protect your GoPro while you are in the act of shooting content. So I just wanted this in case there were a fall, it would just give it a softer place to land. To say, of all the GoPro accessories that I purchased, this dual battery charger featuring 2 Enduro batteries was the smartest, hands down. With this charger, I'm able to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, so I now have 3 GoPro batteries. And when you're out in the field shooting content, you need to have extra batteries. Here you have the GoPro El Grande. I haven't used this aluminum extension pole yet, but I do have a shoot planned for this week where I will use it, and I'll be able to tell you a little bit more about what my opinion is about it. So what you're seeing on the screen now is the hand grip for the GoPro. I ordered this from graphgrip.com. It is meant to keep things super simple, super compact. You don't have to bring out, a tripod. You don't have to bring out an extension pole. It is meant to keep things really fast, really simple. Just grab and go. Get that quick to go shot and keep it moving. I'm going to be honest, this grab grip it takes a little adjusting to, right? I have to get used to it, but I'm practicing, and once I master it, I will be back to give you my opinion. This wireless remote control from Tellison allows me to communicate with my GoPro from anywhere in the room. And this is the granddaddy of them all. This is the Tellison 3-arm suction mount. My purpose for purchasing this is to secure it to the exterior of my car so I can do the neighborhood drive-through tours. And I feel quite comfortable with mounting my GoPro on this because I know that it'll be protected. Again, it is a 3-arm suction mount. So as I mentioned earlier, when I received my GoPro for my birthday, I also received the accessories bundle kit, and this is it. It comes with a spare Enduro battery, the handler, and the head strap with a quick clip. This is my Tellison magnetic neck holder mount for the GoPro. I love that this apparatus offers the ability to keep both of my hands free while still offering a first-person point of view while shooting. Now it's time for all of you guys to 90 me. This is my baby, the Canon 90D, which is a feature-packed DSLR with a high resolution, and it always gives to me what it's supposed to give, which is a smooth, buttery performance. Now, this camera typically resides in my office, partly because of the weight of it, but also because I have the settings set just so. But it is an amazing camera that I use to shoot all of my content inside my office with. So here is my teleprompter from GVM. I could not pass up this purchase. It was offered on eBay for like $100 discount, and I had to get it. So I haven't used this one, but here's the teleprompter that I use at my home office, and you will see the manufacturer flash up here soon. I'm not even gonna mess it up and play myself by trying to pronounce the manufacturer's name, but you see it. This is my baby Canon M50. I use this camera in my home office, so if you see videos with white backgrounds, typically they were shot using this camera, and I still love this camera to this day. So here are some extra batteries for my cameras. Here's a television that I use as a monitor so that I can make sure I know what I'm looking like while I'm filming. My ring light here, just a lot of little trinkets here. My remote for my GoPro, the remote for my teleprompter, my Canon M50 remote, my lav mic, just some trinkets that I haven't really found a place for, but that I know that I need. And I keep them out of frame so you can't see them when I'm filming. And here we are, the Bose headphones. What? These headphones are the shiznit and the business. And in full transparency, they do not belong to me, okay? They are my husband's headphones, but you know, I use them when he's not using them. I use them to edit my videos. I like to hear everything. And because they're noise canceling, wireless Bluetooth headphones, they cover your ears. They're so comfortable. Like, I love them. And I'm not even a headphones girl. And these are my kind of headphones, okay? So, I'm telling you, this gets 5, 10 stars from me. I love these headphones. And, you know, they're black, so I do everything black. But that's another video. But, yes, they look amazing. They feel amazing. They sound amazing. Oh, they are amazing. Now we are moving on to my gimbals. This is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It's a foldable gimbal for smartphones and it provides stable and smooth footage. I mean, it's cute, but it's not like cute. This is my other gimbal. It is the Zhiyun Weeble S, and this is used for dynamic stabilization for my cameras. So now we're going to move on to my tripods. This is my Socialite selfie stick tripod for my iPhone. It is very convenient to pull this out of my bag, attach my iPhone, and start shooting. And I guess I'm a newer girl because I just realized that I have 3 newer tripods. Coming up, I will show you the difference in the 2 that I'm showing here on this video. This is my Benro aluminum tripod with ball head. What I particularly like about this tripod is that when the 4-section twist lock legs are fully extended, this baby is over 62 inches. And one of the legs can be removed and connected to the center column to create a monopod for added versatility. Here are 2 of the 3 newer tripods side by side. As you can see, both have the ball heads. However, the difference would be the legs. One has the flip lock legs and one has the twist lock legs. For me personally, I prefer the flip lock legs because there is no guessing whether or not the legs are locked in place. This is my memory card case, which holds my SD cards, my micro SD cards, my mini SD cards. It's the ideal organizer because the labels allow you to keep all of the cards organized. Here is the USB-C hub that I use, which gives me access to 4 USB ports. This is my cabinet for small trinkets. I have cases in here, external hard drives. Here you see my moment lens for my cell phone and some other lenses for my cell phone. I have some cell phone holders in here. I love this little mirror. It allows me to see the back side of my camera when I'm shooting with it. I have some lens wipes in here. All of my additional Rode mics. I have camera lenses for my Canon. A little centralized charging station for all of my batteries. Yeah, so I keep all of that here. Should you have any questions or comments regarding any tools or equipment that you've seen in the video thus far, please drop down in the comment section and let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Now I'm about to introduce you to a smart purchase. This is my baby, my drone, the DJI Mini 2. We use this hand in hand in our business, in that for our buyers and sellers of land, we're able to offer an immediate aerial view of the parcel of land. But then also on the residential side, we are able to, for our buyers, fly our drone up on the roof to see if there's any immediate evident damage. And we're not roofers, but we can tell damage is damage, right? And then we can then take that information and work it into our offer for the particular property. This brings us to the end of our video, but if you've liked this content and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And we want to take you along on our journey as we use all of these tools to grow our real estate brokerage. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.